Hello, good morning students. Children, suppose you see a snake on the road while you are walking. What do? You just walk forward towards the snake? No, isn't it? You immediately rush towards the other side, or you put back your step, or you start shouting, calling, whatever it is. Children, this we do automatically. Suppose I touch an object which is very hot. I don't know. Unknowingly, suppose there is something in the kitchen, a vessel is kept and I thought I will take it, but it was very hot, extremely hot. It has just come out of the maybe your gas oven or your heater. And what do? Do you think after touching it when you are feeling hot that what should I do, what should I do? No. You immediately put back your hand and start feeling pain and whatever actions afterwards you do. If it is burnt, you do something. Children, some things we think and then we do. Like I asked you a question regarding the nervous system. I asked you that the brain is protected by maybe some of you will take few seconds to think and answer. Some of you may take little more time to think and answer. So these things we think, we act. Like some decisions we have to take, or something your friend has invited you to his or her house. So you think that in this situation should I go or not? But some actions, children, it is done immediately. You don't have to think. Suppose I am walking and my feet get stuck in some object which is down, lying on the ground, and I have not seen it. Immediately what I do? I get pain, I move my leg, I start rubbing it. The immediate action which you do is automatically done. You don't have to think about it. We do not think, and that is called reflex actions. What are they called? Reflex action. Suppose somebody comes and tries to suddenly, you don't know, he tries to hit you. What will you do? You will stand like this? Yes, please come and hit me. No. Immediately you move your body. You try to save yourself, isn't it, children? That is called reflex action. Now this reflex action is controlled by the spinal cord. Let us find out how. The nervous system controls all our actions that we know, whatever we do, whether it is voluntary actions or involuntary actions, like things going on inside our body. The digestive system is functioning. The food is sent through the food canal and then it has to go back to the stomach. All this pushing, all this we don't know. It is controlled by brain. It is done by the nervous system, controlling heart beating, taking in oxygen, giving out carbon dioxide. So the whole thing, whatever we do, all actions are controlled by the nervous system. Some of our actions are automatic, as I told you, automatic. You don't have to, within fraction of a second you do it, isn't it? Suppose something falls from your hand, immediately you don't have to think, what should I do? Should I pick it up? Should I try to save that object? Suppose there is a glass in your hand and it falls down suddenly. Will you keep on thinking for a minute or for seconds? Within fraction of seconds, you try to pick it up or you try to save it, isn't it? You don't have to think. These are automatic actions which are called reflex actions. We do not have to think before doing them. We don't think. We don't start thinking, oh, what should I do? Should I save the glass or should I wait? These are called reflex action. Very important. It's called reflex action. Okay, children? Such actions are controlled by the spinal cord. here spinal cord is controlling these action. Okay, the spinal cord is controlling this action. The spinal cord here, it is controlling all these action. Okay, and examples of reflex action are blinking of eyes, watering of the mouth, jumping when frightened. All these are reflex action. Blinking of an eye. Suddenly you hand move in front of your eyes. What do? You blink your eyes. Okay, suppose there is something got stuck in your throat. Immediately what you coughing. You don't think, oh, that should be taken out or I should do. Immediately coughing. So all these are reflex action. They are automatic and they are controlled by the spinal cord. Okay, all your sensory organs, whatever they do, they are controlled by the spinal cord.